Hi, welcome back to Covid Dynasty. For today's video, as we will talk about how the COVID-19 vaccines undergo at the different trial phases and its functions. A clinical preliminary is possibly done when there is valid justification to accept that another test or treatment may improve the consideration of patients. Prior to clinical preliminaries, tests and medicines are surveyed in preclinical examination. Preclinical examination isn't finished with individuals. It surveys the highlights of a test or treatment. A clinical preliminaries have 5 stages. The stages are portrayed next, utilizing the case of another medication treatment. If you are new to this channel, please show us some love by giving a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more COVID-19 pandemic-related content. Stage 0. Stage 0 preliminaries are the main clinical preliminaries done among individuals. They mean to figure out how a medication is prepared in the body and what it means for the body. In these preliminaries, a tiny portion of a medication is given to around 10 to 15 individuals. Stage 1. Stage 1 preliminaries mean to locate the best portion of another medication with the least results. The medication will be tried in a little gathering of 15 to 30 patients. Specialists start by giving extremely low portions of the medication to a couple of patients. Higher portions are given to different patients until results become too extreme or the ideal impact is seen. The medication may help patients, however, phase 1 preliminaries are to test a medication's well-being. On the off chance that a medication is discovered to be sufficiently protected, it tends to be tried in a Stage 2 clinical preliminary. Stage 2. Stage 2 preliminaries further survey well-being just as if a medication works. The medication is frequently tried among patients with a particular sort of malignancy. Stage 2 preliminaries are done in bigger gatherings of patients, contrasted with Phase 1 preliminaries. Frequently, new blends of medications are tried. Patients are firmly watched to check whether the medication works. In any case, the new medication is once in a while contrasted with the current standard of care drug that is utilized. In the event that a medication is found to work, it very well may be tried in a Stage 3 clinical preliminary. Stage 3. Stage 3 preliminaries contrast another medication with the norm of care drug. These preliminaries survey the results of each medication and which medication works better. Stage 3 preliminaries select at least 100 patients. Frequently, these preliminaries are randomized. This implies that patients are placed into a treatment gathering, called preliminary arms, by some coincidence. Randomization is expected to ensure that individuals altogether preliminary arms are indistinguishable. This tells researchers that the consequences of the clinical preliminary are because of the treatment and not contrasts between the gatherings. A PC program is regularly used to arbitrarily allocate individuals to the preliminary arms. There can be in excess of 2 treatment bunches in Stage 3 preliminaries. The benchmark group gets the norm of care treatment. Different gatherings get another treatment. Neither you nor your PCP can pick your gathering. You will likewise not realize which gathering you're in until the preliminary is finished. Each understanding in a Stage 3 investigation is observed intently. The examination will be halted early if the symptoms of the new medication are excessively extreme or in the event that one gathering has much better outcomes. Stage 3 clinical preliminaries are frequently required before the FDA will support the utilization of another medication for the overall population. Stage 4. Stage 4 preliminaries test new medications endorsed by the FDA. The medication is tried in a few hundreds or thousands of patients. This takes into consideration better examination on brief and enduring results and security. For example, some uncommon results may just be found in enormous gatherings of individuals. Specialists can likewise study how well the medication functions and if it's useful when utilized with different medicines. Since now you know the different phases of the COVID-19 vaccines, would you be a part of a clinical research studies to save humanity? Please us know from the comment section below.